In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use a vector displacement node. Vector displacement node adds more control when we're using a texture node to add more details to a material. This node setup will only work with cycles. By using this node, we can fully customize the texture node's specialized node settings. This node works similar to the math node's multiply, meaning if we change the scale value, we can get more or less texture effect results. Here are the full nodes. I have set the scale value to 0, and no matter what I change on the texture node, nothing will change. I don't know if this is a bug or not, but disabling the vector displacement node with the scale value is set to 0 doesn't seem to deactivate it. There are 3 types to choose from, but they all seem to give the same result. Set the vector displacement node's scale value, and try changing the texture node settings. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.